discover the perfect blend of stability and convenience with the best camping tables. Built for outdoor adventures, these tables offer foldable designs, lightweight frames, and weather-resistant surfaces. Ideal for meals, gear, or games, they make every camping trip more organized and enjoyable. In this video, we recommend the 7 best camping tables. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Coleman Outdoor Compact Folding Table. The Coleman Outdoor Compact Folding Table is a must-have for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor lovers. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it offers reliable support while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its snap-together design ensures a quick setup, while the included carry bag adds travel convenience. Seating up to 4 people comfortably, it's ideal for meals, grilling, or games in any outdoor setting. Paired with it, Rubbermaid Easy Find Lids meal prep containers help keep your food organized and fresh. With 3 compartments, they're perfect for prepping an entree and 2 sides for your adventure. The snap-together lid system makes storage easy, and the stackable design saves space in your pack. Microwave, top rack dishwasher, and freezer safe, these BPA-free containers bring both safety and practicality. Together, this table and meal prep set create a seamless, organized, and enjoyable outdoor experience. Number 6. VILLEY Portable Camping Side Table. The VILLEY Portable Camping Side Table is built for outdoor lovers who need a reliable, compact surface anywhere. Made entirely of aluminum, it's ultralight at just over 2 pounds and fits easily in a backpack, car, RV, or motorcycle with the included carry bag. Its upgraded metal screw hinges offer stronger, more durable panel connections compared to plastic or cord-based designs, making it stable and long-lasting. The heavy-duty triangular frame supports up to 66 pounds without tipping or bending, and stable foot caps keep it secure on uneven ground. Its waterproof aluminum surface resists stains, oil, and watermarks, while the special paint ensures no fading over time. Cleanup is quick, just rinse or wipe, and it's ready to go again. Assembly is fast and tool-free. Snap the rails and tabletop into place for a sturdy finish. Ideal for camping, picnics, beach trips, or backyard relaxing, it's the all-purpose table your adventures need. Number 5. iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table. The iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table is a smart choice for outdoor enthusiasts who value strength and simplicity. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's incredibly lightweight yet supports up to 66 pounds with ease. Its unique hinged connection design, unlike bungee cord alternatives, adds lasting durability for years of adventure. Waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean, this table's solid surface handles spills and weather with no trouble. Anti-slip rubber feet and strong joints provide impressive stability on any terrain, so it won't fold or bend under pressure. Heat-resistant and sturdy, it can even hold a portable stove for campsite cooking or morning coffee. Compact and easy to pack, it fits into the included carry bag and travels effortlessly in your car or backpack. Setup is quick, just unfold the frame and snap the tabletop into place, ready in seconds. Perfect for relaxing, fishing, picnics, or beach days, this table is built to go where you go. Number 4. Portal Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table. The Portal Outdoor Folding Camping Table is a versatile and reliable choice for your next outdoor adventure. Built with telescoping aluminum legs, it offers adjustable height to handle uneven surfaces and meet your needs, whether you're dining, prepping, or relaxing. The aluminum roll-up tabletop is sturdy and easy to clean, while non-skid feet add stability on all terrain. An added mesh bottom layer gives you bonus storage space for gear or snacks, and it detaches easily when not needed. This table sets up in just a minute and folds down compactly into the included carry bag for effortless transport. Despite being lightweight, it handles up to 132 pounds, perfect for tailgating, picnics, backyard gatherings, or campsite cooking. With quick setup, high stability, and smart storage, this camping table delivers a smooth, reliable surface wherever your journey takes you. Number 3. Grope Small Folding Camping Table. The Grope Small Folding Camping Table combines portability and strength in a lightweight design that's ideal for outdoor adventures. Its aluminum tabletop and frame offer exceptional durability without the bulk, and the stable triangular structure supports up to 55 pounds on a variety of terrains. Setup is tool-free and quick, thanks to its smart hinge design. Just unfold the frame, snap on the tabletop, and you're ready to cook, snack, or relax. With a waterproof, scratch-resistant finish, the surface stays clean and vibrant, just rinse and wipe. Available in multiple sizes, it fits all your camping, beach, or backyard needs while staying compact in the included carry bag. Whether you're brewing coffee at dawn or grilling under the stars, this foldable table delivers reliable performance with ease. Number 2. MSSOHKAN Camping Table. The MSSOHKAN Folding Camping Table is a tough, compact companion for any outdoor activity. Made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, it stays steady on flat terrain with skid-proof feet and a cross-leg structure that resists bending and deformation. The aluminum tabletop is waterproof, rust-proof, and scratch-resistant with a spray-coated finish that's easy to clean and built to last. Weighing just a couple of pounds, it's ultralight and folds down to fit into your backpack, car, or RV without taking up space. Assembly is tool-free and quick. Just snap the X-frame and attach the tabletop using the smart hinge design. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or as a side table for games or meals, this foldable table adds serious function wherever you go. Number 1. Yriuat Folding Camping Table. The Yriuat Folding Camping Table is a lightweight and compact solution for both indoor and outdoor use. With adjustable legs offering multiple height options, it easily adapts to different situations, whether you're lounging at the beach or prepping food at a campsite. Built for durability, it features a thick MDF tabletop, sturdy aluminum frame, U-shaped side supports, and secure locks to ensure rock-solid stability. Despite its tough construction, it's remarkably lightweight and folds in half for easy carrying with the built-in handle, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Added bonuses include a mesh storage layer and S-hooks, letting you stash gear, snacks, or tools with ease. Versatile enough for camping, hiking, fishing, or even indoor crafting and gaming, this table is a smart pick for portable convenience. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.